Hi, we're going to look at half-lives, and these are the simple way, I think, to do half-life problems. I've got several short videos to show you. They're not great extended videos, and we're not going to use tons of equations. We're just going to use a little reasoning. You'll find a chart like this is really helpful. So here I've got, when I pull these up, I'm going to have the types. This is when I'm trying to find out how long the half-life of a substance is. Remember, the half-life is the length of time it takes for half of the material to decay. So here my chart is looking at what the half-life of a 100-gram sample of nitrogen-16 decays, that it takes to decay to 12.5 grams of nitrogen in 21.6 seconds. So if that's how long it takes, so this is your total time right here. I want to see, first of all, how many half-lives I'm dealing with. I start out with material at time 0. I start out with 100 grams. Well, the amount of the material left, I have all of it, or I'm going to call this 1, or the fraction of the material left here. The next one, after 1 half-life, I've got half of this left, 50% of it, half of it has decayed. I've got 50 grams left. So I've got 1/2 of the material left. So 1/2 of the 100 grams would be 50. Then I've got another half-life. Well, half of that is left, 25 grams. And then another half-life, I've got half of that, so half of 25 is 12.5 grams. Well, I can stop there because that's what they wanted to look at. It's decaying, and I've got 12.5 grams left. So this has taken me 3 half-lives. That 3 half-lives, those periods of time that it takes to decay, took a total of 21.6 seconds to get to this 12.5 grams. Well, in this case, I'm looking at 21.6 seconds divided up 3 times into 3 half-life periods. So I'm going to take that total time, 21.6 seconds total, and divide it up into half-lives. I have 3 half-lives. When I divide that, I've got 7.2 seconds that it took to happen, or that 1 half-life. That's 1 half-life. We say T1/2 as I'm doing this one. So when you write these, and on your assignment you'll have, you're filling these in, short answer, make sure you spell the unit out and include the unit. So 7.2 seconds here. I guess I could put seconds. And that's it. Another thing that you would want to look at here is what's going on with half-life. You've got 1/2 of the material. Here I've got 1/2 of the 1/2 to consider, or 1/4 of the material left. Here I've got 1/2 of that, 1/2 of the 1/4, or the 1/2 and 1/2. That's 1/8 of the material left. If we look at these, the fraction of the material left, this is all of them. 1/2 to the first power. This is 1/2 to the second power. This is 1/2 to the third power. And look at the interesting correlation here. 3 half-lives, that's going to be my power. The fraction material, that's a 2, a 2, a 1, a 1. And I could even write this one as 1/2 to the 0 power. So this will come in handy as we look at some of these next couple of problems. So that's it for this little video.